everyone. In the semester 1, we deal with a lot of different global issues. We know enough about the climate change. It is time for decision now. We need our soil every day, but now our soil needs us. The clock is ticking, our soil is crying. To improve the soil issue and preserve our soil to the next generation, that is my design project, Soil Petri Dish.
2015, there is projection by scientists that the arable land in the earth will be lost by half by 2050 due to the soil erosion, and our world topsoil could be gone within 15 years. Soil erosion is mainly caused by human activities, city development and expansion, which make a large scale of soil assailed by concrete. Extreme rainfall by climate change cause unreliable flooding and drought, which lead to loss of our soil by water and wind. How can we help our soil? Here are my soil quality improvement and material research study. We can find that we can improve the soil condition by soil testing, adding composting, and earthworm. Also, if your soil experiences poor drainage, to create a green garden can help to reduce the almost of stream water made it to the soil system. Due to the research study, there are 3-layer design intention for protect soil in my project.
The first layer is the soil hospital for soil purification directly by architectural program. Second, it is about increasing awareness about the needs for society to protect the soil for our future by educational spatial design. Third is the innovated suitable architecture style to coexist with our soil by architectural design. The detailed explanation and information can be seen in my portfolio. Life Valley is a special scientific interest area, which 15 minutes away from Brookes University. I have done the soil type and the surface and groundwater catchment analysis in Life Valley. It is very interesting finding that there are one type of soil called limestone soil located next to the valley. The water falling from the surrounding area then move down to the limestone soil. The limestone soil layer will make the water in the soil become more alkaline. When the alkaline water flows into another soil layer, the alkaline land ingredient will provide a lot of nutrition to the soil. That is a natural soil purification. That is the top view plan with surrounding site content. The project site is located next to the Life Valley. It will be a part of Life Valley, which works as a connection between the left side hospital area. Now, I would like to talk about the design development. First, extending the grid line to the site area from the surrounding. Then, to build a building as the same building height with the surrounding building block. Second, soil purification is a systematic process, which needs step by step to improve the soil. There are 5 purification processes. The building function follows the systematic process, then the zoning layer follows the function. After, to combine the idea into 5 blocks and create the opening for ventilation. Create a rain garden in the middle and raise the building. Last, applying the rounded earth shear wall as main structure to raise up the building block. That is the spatial quality of the main entrance of my design. We can see that the final image of the design development. In the building, 5 blocks are separate for different functions. People will come to the main entrance from the car park space. In the right side is application and submission reception and lobby. In the left side is the result reception and soil pharmacy. Pass through the block 1, people will arrive at the viewing deck. People are allowed to enjoy the major space in here. Then walk through the walking deck to the other block. Block 2 will be the laboratory for soil testing and the cafe area. Block 3 is the composting zone. People can learn the composting process here. The block 4 is the laboratory space for soil improvement with the special soil wall. The rain garden is decided in the middle. The main section shows the spatial relationship from the entrance to the middle space. We can see that the walking deck works with the rain garden to form a very comfortable exhibition space for people. The concept idea can be explained into 3 parts. First, rising structure design. Instead of build the building go into the basements or on the ground, my design will be rise up the building to allow the surface and groundwater pass through. Second, there are 5 circulation. People can walk through the walking deck, pass through the building to the Life Valley. Last is about soil spatial sequence and design.
I have designed a sequence of soil space to let people to feel that they come to the soil world. A huge rounded earth wall is decided in the entrance to act as a soil layer. Past the rounded earth wall is the organic major space formed from the curved wooden cladding. Then there is a soil wall designed along the major space, which exposing the invisible soil layer to become visible exhibition wall. The idea of organic major space is come from our soil current situation. Our soil surface presents are well preserved. In fact, the inside space of the soil was destroyed. That is the reason that my design starts from a simple form design. When people go inside, a big contrast organic inside space are decided. As I mentioned before, people are allowed to experience the feeling which enclosed by the soil world. Beside the concept idea, I have designed the building with environmental consideration. The location and direction of the shear wall are followed by the existing water table, which to helping of redirecting the water drainage. Separating building block creates the space opening which work with the rain garden to form the cross ventilation. The glass wall and the window opening located facing some path direction to allow maximum natural lighting. Here are the detailed explanation of rain garden and courtyard house environmental design. Redirecting the rainwater to the core rain garden by sloping roof design. Then collecting rainwater and redirecting surface and groundwater to improve the soil drainage condition. The cross ventilation from side opening to the rain garden by air pressure effect. The last but not least is the permanent structure system. Pile foundation system are used as the base foundation. The wooden posting and the rounded earth shear wall work as the primary bearing structure to support the whole building for raising structure and transfer the load to the foundation. There are the rounded earth shear wall component detail. Then the next layer is the timber floor beam, floor slab, and the wall. Next, the timber truss provide an effective long span structure to support the season green roof. Here are the component detail of the season green roof. The plants can collect the rainwater, then the water can be flowed down to the rain garden from the drainage layer. In the design, there are 4 special feature details need to be decided. In this session, we can explain that one by one. First is the season roof on rounded earth shear wall junction detail. 3-meter overhead to protect the rounded earth wall from rain. Second is the rounded earth shear wall foundation detail. Third is the soil layer display wall construction detail. The last is the timber curve cladding construction detail. I believe the soil Petri will be a successful alternative design project to protect and improve our soil to help the soil erosion. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you.